To find the Maya and Motionbuilder plugins, first go to the Xsens homepage, go up to Support, Downloads, then simply scroll down to where it says Plugins, Integrations and Synchronizations. Open this up and you will be able to find our Motionbuilder and Maya plugins. To get started streaming into Maya or Motionbuilder, first we have to set up our stream in MVN. To access network streaming settings, we can go up to the taskbar and click on the Network Streamer Options button here. Or we can access this menu by going to Options and Network Streamer Options. Once we have opened this, we will have a window just like this, where we can add or remove new streams. On the stream that you want to use to stream into Maya or Motionbuilder, make sure to take note of the port number. This will be important later. Now, to check these settings, we want to make sure for Maya and Motionbuilder 2019 and above that position and orientation is set to quaternion. If it's not, simply tick on the box by the side of that name and we're ready to go. The rest of the settings are fine as they are. Now we just need to save, close and move on to Motionbuilder or Maya. Now that we have the right streaming settings set up in MVN, we can move on to Motionbuilder and setting up the stream in here. First thing we can do is open a new scene in Motionbuilder, just as I've done now. And the next step is to go down to our Resources panel and locate underneath the templates, the MVN folder. This will be installed here after you've installed the MVN plugin for Motionbuilder. From there, we're interested in one of the 4 files located within the MVN folder, MVN Live 1 to 4 actors. Simply take this file and drag it onto your scene. You'll be asked to FBX open and just select all takes. Now that we've done this, you will see a skeleton in the scene. If you look in your character controls, you'll see there's a C1, C2, C3 and C4 MVN character. Each of these will correspond to a suit that's streaming data from MVN. So now that we have our skeleton, we want to go back down and now to the navigator on the left hand side of Motionbuilder, and we're looking for devices. If we open this up, we will see the MVN Live plugin underneath devices, just as so. If we click on MVN Live plugin, you then get a few options here. You should make sure that your port number is set to the same one as your stream setup within MVN. To activate the stream, go to the Online box here. It should currently be red. If you click on the box, it will turn yellow and then green if there is a connection with MVN made, and you will see your skeleton within the scene animated. Right now we're only seeing one skeleton move. This is because only the first character is streaming data within MVN. And that is how you stream MVN data into Motionbuilder.